We are pleased to show you the 2022 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.